personal belongings before deplaning. As we reach your gate, we invite you to use the Buy Delta app for important baggage connection information. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback. We value feedback. Use your responses to improve your future travel experiences. If you value checked a bag using a pink tag, please wait on one side of the jump bridge so the customers to deplane may wait to claim your baggage. And on behalf of the Detroit Base Crew, thank you for helping us celebrate one of yours in flight. Look forward to seeing you soon. Have a wonderful afternoon and safe travel.